Kunti na lang magiging Moreno Walker sa kami. Hindi dati, borderline Moreno lang eh. Ngayon Moreno lang. Nangingitim na kami lahat.
PLS ito pa na ako eh.
Ready na ako, may morning towel na ako.
Nakita mo ba kung gano'ng kainit?
Tapos medyo gutom pa ako.
Okay lang, first time food trip. Lingnam!
Lingnam! Yung walk trip, food trip edition. Let's go!
4.8 kilometers. Let's go! Kuya, paligo ha, paligo.
Grabe kayo, sobrang init. Sunscreen counter.
Kulay brown. Umbrella counter. Ano ba?
Man, now.
Life hack number 1.
Tama nga ako dyan. 1 station down. Pawis counter 1, 2, 3. 2 stations down, Pedro Hill. PLS ito yung UP doon.
Mag-grab na lang tayo.
Hindi bro, bawal. Nilakarin natin hanggang dulo. Speaking of hanggang dulo, stream my news song hanggang dulo. 3 stations down.
Kunti na lang magiging Moreno Walker sa kami. Hindi dati, borderline Moreno lang eh. Ngayon Moreno lang.
For the clouds not bro. This might be the worst walk yet.
Buti na lang vibrant yung suit ko. Underpass counter 1. Di ba sila yung midnight?
Pass counter 2.
Sana lumamig ngayon. Welcome to Binondo guys.
Tara, punta tayo sa first link ng branch.
Situated at Alonzo Street.
We're here! Okay guys, dahil 75th anniversary na ni Lingnam, this May 1, dito muna tayo.
Sobrang tagal na ng lingnam yung lolo tatay ko nandito ako makain dati. Let's taste the OG.
Guys, kung gutom kayo nakasama barkada mo, in Binondo.
We're good for sharing guys.
You want authentic Chinese noodles? Take it from us, you know, we grew up in Binondo. Ito, this is yung beef tender, slow cook, yung noodles like fresh every day.
Kahit gusto nyo? Ganyan eh.
Bakit chopstick? 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 Pero ano yan? Alam ko ba authentic? Ano ba? Chinese ka ba? Ba't di ka nag-chopstick?
Chinese ako pero like, why may like mas superior kasi invention na fork. So, tingin mo di ako marunong.
Original recipe since 1950.
Busog na ba?
Parang di pa, I kinda want some snacks bro. Tara, show out. Here,
Sling ng fried sopa muna tayo.
we need some snacks.
Okay guys.
So guys, gutom ba ako? So we got the fried sopa right here. Asado.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Meaty guys, meaty.
May crust ba? Kasi diba, nakita nyo kanina, like bagong fried. Pogi ng waiter.
So this is chicken gyoza, short spin dumplings, pork dumpling, famous so.
Hindi ko rin nga.
Kanki.
Grabe guys, the feeling. Yes, ang laki oh. Grabe oh. Very meaty.
Okay, yun yung part 1 ng food trip namin. LCM next. Watch the next video.